How to use Deepseek V3 API 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to use Deepseek V3's very own API for yourself. Now, API, as we know, is basically the integration code for any software. So, to use the API for Deepseek V3, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come up here to your profile and you're going to go over to your settings. Now, once you go over to your settings, usually right about here is where you're going to be finding your DeepSeek API. But in the case you don't find it over here, don't worry. What you can simply do is come over here and write DeepSeek V3 API. Okay, you're going to write that down. And as you can see, it's going to give you these API docs. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to these API docs, and right about here, you can see it gives you the base URL for the API, and you can apply for the API key right over here. Okay. Now, currently it is under maintenance, so the API key will not be available if you use it right now, but only I'd say wait for like a week and the API key should start remodeling again. And generally, it should appear for you in your settings in the profile section over here as well. So that is basically how you're going to use DeepSeek V3's API for yourself. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.